Hi everyone, and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how I threw together this hot cocoa bar. I just have this located right by my coffee maker, and in my house, our tradition for Christmas Eve is we make hot chocolate, watch a movie, and popcorn. So I am going to show you how I threw together this super cute hot cocoa bar using items mostly from the dollar store. So let's get right into this video, and I hope you guys all enjoy.
When the bell on the door jingled once more, and then time almost came to a stop, but somehow I knew, and maybe so did you, that everything would change from now on.
Okay, so here I'm just showing you the items that I picked up from the Dollar Tree. I will not use every single item that you see right here, but I just want to lay everything out for you so you can see what I'm working with. And the Dollar Tree has so many adorable Christmas mugs right now.
Christmas on, it's gonna...
So the first thing that I'm going to do is just clear off this space and clean the countertop really well. And then I have a cookie jar that I picked up from Burlington, and I'm going to use that to hold my hot cocoa, and then I will show you how I decorate the rest of this area.
We forgot what you came for.
So I found this adorable Christmas gnome cookie jar at Burlington Coat Factory, and I thought it would look perfect to store my hot cocoa. So I took all of the hot cocoa packets out of the package and I just placed them in this adorable cookie jar and set them on my counter. And then I had purchased these salt and pepper shakers at the Dollar Tree. I thought they would look super cute holding some cocoa powder and some cinnamon. So I just placed those right here on this little tray here that I have. And then I just used a mason jar type mug, and I took some peppermint sticks that I had purchased at the Dollar Tree, and I just placed those in there. They do have mugs similar at the Dollar Tree. I had already had these. And then there was some peppermint bark also that I had picked up from the Dollar Tree, and I just broke that up into pieces and placed them in another jar.
From this Christmas on.
And then for the marshmallows, I wanted something a little bit different, and I lucked out and found these super cute vanilla flavored marshmallows that kind of look like candy canes. So I took those out of the package and just placed them in this really pretty apothecary jar. And of course I had to move things around because I felt like it would look best right here in the corner.
Decorating the tree from this Christmas on.
And while I was at Burlington, I also found these wafer rolls. They are like a hazelnut flavor. So I took those out of the package and placed them in another mason jar and just neatly set them on this tray here in this corner. So I wanted to dress up this corner with a little bit of light, and I found this solar light at the Dollar Tree, but I thought it was kind of plain looking, so I wanted to dress it up a little bit. So I am just using some hot glue and gluing it to the top of this top hat, and I'm going to set it in the corner.
Kinda misty, waiting.
And then I wanted to use something for stir sticks, and I couldn't find anything Christmassy at the Dollar Tree. So I found these candy cane ornaments, and I'm just going to add this into this creamer mug and set that in the corner as well and use those as stir sticks. So now I'm just adding all of my Christmas related coffee mugs to this rack here, and then I'm going to make my boys a cup of hot cocoa.
Little things that I wanna hear, and the stars up above are smiling when they see you holding me so have a certain glow, a secret and a song, even church bells sing along, and the children making angels in the snow. Oh, what a gift to be given. How lucky can this soul heart.
So I thought I was finished with this, but the more I looked at it, I thought it would look super cute if I dressed up this mug rack with a little bit of Christmas decor. So that's what I'm doing here. I'm just adding a few Christmas picks down at the bottom, and then I will also add a few at the top, and then I'm going to finish it off with a string of little mini lights, and this one is battery operated. I also ended up adding that candle right there in the middle. I'm not sure if you can see it or not, but I am so happy with the way this cocoa bar turned out. So it's actually a cocoa bar slash coffee bar because I do still have my coffee station here, but I think it turned out super cute and the boys love it. I hope this video gave you a few ideas to create your own coffee slash cocoa bar. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, I would love it if you left me a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe if you are new, and I hope you guys all have a great day and a very Merry Christmas. See you in the next one. Bye!
Up above, they are shining with love, listening to this song playing on, listening to this song.